subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Vivo has launched 3 new smartphones under S series in China called Vivo S16, Vivo S16 Pro and Vivo S16e. Among these 3, the Vivo S16e is the most affordable phone under this series with quite cool looking design. Now let's see the specifications of the Vivo S16e smartphone. The Vivo S16e features a tall 6.62-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.4% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1080 chipset, paired with Mali G78 MP10 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo S16e supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and there is dual soft LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The device comes equipped by a large 4600 mAh battery with 66W fast charging support. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with Origin OS Ocean skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.51 by 75.81 by 7.8mm and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the Vivo S16e smartphone. The Vivo S16e has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2099 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2299 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now offer pre-orders in the country in purple, green and black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S16e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.